Security forces have reported significant seizures of arms, ammunition and explosives following extensive search operations in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Manipur's hill and valley districts. The operations aim at enhancing security and area domination have resulted in the recovery of a wide array of weaponry and munitions. In the Bishnupur district, security personnel uncovered a substantial case, including one AK assault rifle, a 303 bolt-action rifle, a 12-bore single-barrel gun, and several pistols with magazine. Additionally, the recovery list features 11 HE-36 hand grenades, 8 detonators, and an assortment of other explosive devices and ammunition. Notably, an improvised mortar with a biport and 2 improvised mortar shells were also seized from the areas of Wainem, Dainomaning, and Ayokpokun. In another operation in the Gakching district, forces seized an insas rifle with a loaded magazine, a 9mm pistol with an empty magazine, 5 HE-36 hand grenades, and a range of other ammunitions and tactical gear. This operation also resulted in the recovery of a BP vest and several blank rounds. In addition to the arms recoveries, security forces ensured the movement of essential items with 65 and 54 vehicles respectively travelling along National Highway No. 37 and National Highway No. 2. The establishment of 105 checkpoints across various districts coupled with strict security measures led to the detention of 224 individuals for violations related to the ongoing security operations.